I'm really looking forward to our picnic tonight. My biggest hope right now is that we don't get rained out.
We go to the store.
To the store?
Yes.
Okay, let's go get in. Just got to the grocery store. We're gonna head in and buy a few groceries because today is a beautiful day and I think it would be so much fun if we go on a picnic as a family up to the Tulip Festival. For our picnic, I'm making something called sandwich for a crowd. I got this recipe from my mother-in-law. So what I need to get is a loaf of French bread and then we'll go pick up some meat. Going. Where are you going? These sandwiches call for pickles, and I am a huge fan of pickles. Leave me a comment below telling me, do you like pickles? Yeah. I think we got everything we need. Can you think of anything else we need for our picnic, Mary?
No.
No? Should we go?
We just got cucumber.
You just got a cucumber?
Yeah, they're my favorite. They're my
Should we go pay for it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
This candy here is a love-hate relationship for all parents. Sometimes I'm in a great mood and I love that there's a treat here so that I can reward her for her good behavior, but sometimes when she's crying and throwing a fit, we end up leaving the store worse off because she didn't get a treat. You pick.
Gum.
Do you like gum?
Yeah.
I'm really looking forward to our picnic tonight. My biggest hope right now is that we don't get rained out. There's some big rain clouds behind me coming in, and the past few nights we've had the night showers that come in around 5 or 6 o'clock. So keep your fingers crossed that we don't get rained out for our picnic. Let's go ahead and make up the sandwiches now because they have to sit in the fridge for a couple of hours. I am sad to announce that we are not going on our picnic. The weather did turn and it's not raining right now, but it dropped in temperature and the wind has been blowing, so it's just not really picnic weather. So unfortunately, I have to go in and tell my children that we are no longer going on our picnic. But I want to give you a few tips on what I found is successful in helping my children when I come to them with plans that have changed. So first, I found that when I come to them and I'm completely open and honest saying, hey, look, we had this idea and it didn't work and I'm sorry and we're just gonna have to find something else to do. So that's the second thing, is taking what we can't do and now what can we do? So we're gonna go in and discuss and find out if we can't go on a picnic outside, maybe we can have a picnic on the inside.
Good, Joshua? How much did you put in?
And then third, don't dwell on what you can't do, but just have fun on what you can do and focus on the positive thing and make that experience really fun for your kids.
B-E-F-O-R-E.
What does that spell?
Before-E.
Before.
Before-E.
Before-E.
You know what? English doesn't make any sense, dude. I get it.
Thanks for hanging out with us. And if you want to see some more of our family vlogs, make sure you check out this playlist right over here. Thanks, guys. Love ya.
Stop it, Emily. Stop it. Stop it.
Careful so Mary doesn't fall back and hit the speaker.
Daddy.